Here at STEC Equipment, we take care of you not only during the buying process, but during the life of your tractor. A 12,000 square foot warehouse full of 750,000 parts, and we ship nationwide. The service department here at STEC has 7 certified technicians, each working in their own bay and utilizing an overhead crane to work on most makes and models of equipment. Here at STEC Equipment, we have multiple brands of equipment, including our Coyote tractor lineup, our Ironcraft implement lineup, Iron Bull trailers, Nolan trailers, and our specialized turf equipment. With our fleet of trucks at the ready, we offer pickup and delivery on new equipment purchases as well as service.